Welcome! Welcome to a new review video. Today we'll be reviewing Kex by Cloetta Corporation from Sweden. This is the front of the packaging. And this is the back. 8 pieces, 60 grams each. Very nice. Let's get to it. Unboxing. Kex, the moment of truth. Time to see if Swedish chocolate is any good. Okay, here we go. Opens up very easily. That's already 1 point for the Cloetta. Ooh. So this is what the individual bar looks like. Very nice size. And in total they have 8 of these here. Yes. I can smell it already. Very good. Very appealing smell. Okay. Let's open one up and see what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that chocolate. Would you want to eat it? I bet you do. Kind of weird smell. It doesn't smell like chocolate at all. But it might be because this one is expired last month, but it's okay. We can still eat it. Okay, Kex by Cloetta going in. Let's see if Swedish chocolate is good. It's more hard than the other waffles I have eaten. The texture is good. It's not making this mess, the crumbs, you know. The flavor, very good flavor. The amount of waffle and chocolate, it's perfect blend. Not too much waffle, not too much chocolate. Yup. Myra approves it chocolate. It is good chocolate. Kex by Cloetta. I can recommend this if you come to Sweden, or if they sell this in some of your countries. Very good. Look. It has 9.6 protein. So this is actually like health product. 9.6 protein per 100 grams. Very good. I don't know how else you can make the chocolate waffle better. This is just perfect. Cloetta knows how to make chocolate waffles. I give this 10 out of 10. Definitely 10 out of 10. So go buy this if you can. And if you like reviews, check out more videos here, here, and here, and here. And subscribe to my main channel, Myro, for epic memes. Thank you, Sweden. Thank you. Cloetta Corporation, very good. See you guys.